What's good, Bimmer Bandits? So today I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of POV action while I'm on my way to Target to go pick up that new NBA 2K21. I'm a basketball fanatic and I love the game. If you over on Richuals, if you follow me on Richuals, you know I do some stock investing, and I invest in a company called Take-Two Interactive. That's the maker of NBA 2K21. So of course I have to support the video game company by purchasing a game because that increases the stock. With that being said, I know you guys over here for car content, but for anyone who's looking for financial tips, go over check me out on Richuals on IG. Check me out at My Richuals on Facebook and give it a like, and go check me out on Richuals on YouTube. Well, with that being said, let's get back to Bimmer Bandit and his POV action as I take y'all and drive to Target. Alright, so many of y'all have been asking about the quality of the shirt. The shirt is made out of premium materials. The logo is fresh, crisp, easy to read, very detailed. This one right here is in black. As you can see, I'm 6'1". This right here is an extra large. That's the back of the shirt. Of course, this is the front. So if you go on BimmerBandit.com, I got a nice selection of shirts in a multitude of different types of colors. So go ahead, browse the website, get your shirt if you're feeling it. I got other stuff on the website as well. Coffee mugs, phone case holders for iPhone, for Samsung devices. Shoot, we got face masks. Got face masks. Hold on, let me show you the face mask. Bam, just like that, we back. I got the face mask, got them in white, as you can see, got them in black, and I got them in other colors as well up on the website. But yeah, go check it out. Face mask fit great. It's a cloth material, as you can see, very soft material in the face, very breathable. To clean it, you just wash in the washing machine, you can dry it, doesn't shrink, doesn't get distorted. Got your ear loops, fit real good, they stay on place. Same with the white one, cloth material, very, very nice material. The logo looks great, as you can see, logo looks great. But yeah, these are just some of my products. You go on BimmerBandit.com, you can see the rest. I greatly appreciate you guys' support. The channel is growing on YouTube. The channel and everything is growing on Facebook. On Facebook, it's M2 BlackEagle, for those that are interested. On IG, it's M2_BlackEagle. On YouTube, it's Bimmer Bandit on YouTube. The website is bimmerbandit.com for those who are interested in buying any of the merchandise. Also on the website, there's videos of installation videos of some of the modifications I've done to my BMW M2, products I use, cleaning products, things I've installed in my car. So there's links to all that stuff. Some of the links are affiliate links, just to give you guys that quick disclaimer. When you use those links, you're helping me out, you're helping the channel out, you're helping support the movement. So if you see anything that you like, feel free, click the link. I greatly appreciate you guys' support. For those who had questions, I just made this video to kind of give you guys some answers to some of the questions. You guys have been hitting me up in my DMs. You guys have been hitting me up on YouTube as well as Facebook. If you're watching this on Facebook, and if you're not watching on Facebook, go over to Facebook. I'm gonna be uploading more videos on Facebook, car content on M2 BlackEagle. That's on Facebook. If you're on that page right now, hit that like button. Trying to get that page to 10,000 likes. We're growing at an extreme pace, which is great. I greatly appreciate you guys. The channels, as far as BlackEagle and Bimmer Bandit, is all about BMW type content for car enthusiasts. So if you're into that stuff, this is the channel for you. This is the website for you. This is the merch for you. So once again, I greatly appreciate you guys' support. Thank you for tuning in to another episode of Bimmer Bandit. Hope you guys enjoyed the little bit of POV action as well as merch. If you did enjoy the merch, go ahead. Go to bimmerbandit.com. Get your merch. Get your merch. Peace and love, and we out.